Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on two-step verification in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app, and here it usually opens up in the messages part in the chats menu, and from here we can either swipe right or tap on the three lines at the top. Here we have to tap on settings, and in settings we have to scroll down a little bit, and we find this privacy and security button. We tap on it, and here at the top it says two-step verification. We tap on this, and we can set up a password, and then there's going to be a two-step verification process when we log in. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.